Yo, what's up guys? So today you're watching a trippy typography time-lapse. A lot of you have been asking for me to bring the speed outs back so you can see the full process of the stuff that I'm making. I'll drop down in the description all the textures and images that I used to create this piece in case you wanted to have a go yourself. There may also be some pointers come up on the screen explaining exactly what I'm doing in case you wanted to go learn more about any specific parts. I'm all set up now in my new home and I'm going to try and drop videos more regularly for y'all. I also want to start streaming so that you can see more behind the scenes and ask questions live and all that good stuff. Anyway, thank you all for the love across all my platforms. I appreciate all of you. Come and join our Discord community. There's a ranking system in it so you can level up as an artist, and you can also vote on future video ideas, and it's just a calm art community to learn and share to. Also come follow my Instagram if you want to see artwork before it comes up on YouTube. Drop a like and a comment if you'd like to see more time lapses. I hope you're taking care of yourselves, and until the next video, that's your boy out. Peace.